Mr. Zazi, who I met a long time ago, almost 10 years ago, who was a young man, has changed dramatically. And I've witnessed that transformation over the past approximate 10 years. He's extremely educated. He constantly is reading. I think that without question, if everyone who is here was in there, they'll appreciate the fact that justice was definitely served in this instance. I mean, Judge Deary, who I consider one of the finest jurists, not only in this area, but in the entire nation as a federal court judge, went into specific detail as to why he imposed the 10-year sentence. And it's very difficult for me to elaborate any more fully